Hello there, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm going to try something different than Dart. When I was doing some research on dynamic libraries, I was searching for minimal or easy to start C libraries for graphics programming, especially 3D programming. Uh, um, I found several options there, but then I saw raylib, and then I remembered I I've already heard about raylib before from one of my friend. He was also doing the similar kind of stuffs with raylibs. Uh, then I thought maybe I should give it a try. Not as a dynamic library, but mm, I'll try to write some uh, very basic code with it, and I'm going to write C code after a very long period of time. Okay, so this is it. This is really, and if we go down here, it says is a programming library to enjoy video games programming. Okay, so it does not provide any graphical user interface, visual helpers, no GUI tools or editors, just coding in pure Spartan programmers way. Okay. uh, I hope I hope so. So we can see, if you go to this is the website. We can see some games here which was written in raylib. Examples, classic games, standard games. Examples, maybe we will browse the examples later when we start with some advanced, maybe or it has a easier examples too for beginners. These are beginners friendly. Yeah, four stars for the most complex, and 1 star for the basic example. Oh, we have a lot of basic examples also. Okay, so first let's try to install raylib. So I will search for the library with my package manager at first. That is apt search. Okay, I can search with apt search raylib. libxrl, no, apt search lib raylib, maybe. No, I'll just search on the web Relief Ubuntu. By the way, I am using Ubuntu. Okay, I need to add a repository at first. Maybe this will work. I'll just paste it. Okay. Enter. Okay, I'm getting not found. Maybe, by the way, I don't know how to install it. I don't want to build it from source code. Maybe we have some documentation about sponsor learning resources, recognition, supported platforms. This is Linux, working on Linux. So these are required libraries. Some required libraries, okay, for audio, OpenZio. And what about raylib itself? You need GCC, alternative compiler, okay, make and git to download. Oh, it says to download raylib repo. So this is the documentation that suggests building from repo itself. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Let's just follow this, okay? I'll move it to here. Let's just copy the commands. I already have a git. Oh, I think I also have Build Essentials maybe. Yeah, I already installed Build Essentials and Ubuntu. Just copy this, the easiest way. Yes. And the next step is maybe clone the repo. The first is cross platform. Okay. So Windows Linux, manually. Okay, building libraries manually. Okay, I don't want to do this. Maybe make examples. Link relevant systems. I don't understand these steps. Okay. Okay, so install come on, common issues. Maybe. Maybe. Okay, I'm having a vibe that I will break the installation. So first, let's search for easier installation using package manager for Ubuntu. Installing raylib on Ubuntu. Okay, there is one article for a mint. Release space on GitHub. Assets on the latest is download the file, folder, and extract. Here, unzip. So this is the library. System wide, open terminal in the extracted folder and run. What does this do? Okay, this command copies the library's file into your. Oh, this is just a cp command, right? So this will copy all the files to the user directory, right, making them accessible to your project. So this was simple. Okay, let's download first raylib, and on the release page 5.5, and let's find the assets. Yeah, so here really for AMD, this one. Okay, and this is okay. This is compressed file, but it says only 127 MB, right? Let's first download this. Do we have tools? Yeah, let's save it here. And extract it in the same directory. Inside tools, close. Now tools, we don't need the downloaded file. Okay, tools. I think we'll I just could I could just download it into the regular downloads folder, because we are moving the copying the content anyway in the user directory. So to write here we need super user permission. Okay, so cpr all to user. I hope let's first list the file. Okay, send the and what's inside the user. I'm not sure, is this the right way? I don't know, maybe I can set the path include okay, we will be importing this I think we can just include it in the path, right? Let's just ask okay, first I want to read another post on it. My consumer systems. Okay, I know this is the very old comment, but yeah, this is the same wiki. I'm not sure. Okay, it this is for building raylib from the source code, but the downloaded one, these are the build files, I believe. Okay, so we already have build files and how to use it. Tell you and examples. We don't need examples. This instead of using the embedded, you can download. How do we make this available in the environment variable. Let's just see the example, basic example first. Okay, go here. Basic example is we are importing or including this header that comes with the library. Okay, so if this is available, okay, I'll just try to this is inside tools, so okay, I'll just I think I'll just add it in a path variable. So and I'll add the path variable here. Okay, export path, and we I don't know. As I said, it's been a long time since I write a program in C, so I forgot how do we install the library. I'm pretty sure if we put the library in the same directory, that will work, but I need to enable it system wide. Search. Okay, now project C. Okay, I'll create a project directory here and try to write my first application. Basic example is okay, just that's basic example dot c. Okay, I will just copy this one and this is not taken. Okay, dot as file not found. Okay, I don't know how to include the system. Let's try to run this. Maybe this might be just the error on the code editor. So how do we compile the program? I think it's GCC is the compiler. GCC source file or directory. Okay, and I don't know how to do it, so I'll just ask ChatGPT. Having raylib library system wide setting path variable maybe. User local. So this is the similar to the Medium article we were scrolling. Address library binaries, runtime shared libraries. Most common set article install is installed and installed in here. Okay, so it was I'm so lazy that I don't want to read all these. Okay, so really and downloaded and extracted into directory. It has include and leave guide me. Raylib include, yeah, we have this. Okay, so set environment variables, yeah. Oh, okay, so it's not the path. Okay, so see include path. I'll just copy this. Better way instead of set path windows need. Yeah, okay, so okay, this is not this. Yeah, and tools is inside my home directory. Okay, now now go to the projects, see, and okay, I'll just try to compile it. Okay, this is a basic example. Let's see, not working. it's wrong. System wide cleanly. Instead of early library path, sudo okay. Okay, let's just try this. Okay, tools relive Olivia. Mm, nope. Maybe I'll just reopen the terminal and no such file or directory. Maybe follow the Medium article. Uh, it kind of seemed so hard right now. I hope I'll be able to continue coding with it. I don't want to do this. I just want to. Okay, so building with CMake Linux, okay, and in case of any dependencies are missing, CMake will tell you. Building examples with CMake. Okay, first, do we need to install it system wide? So if let's just test one thing, okay. I just want to copy this tools really include, okay, and test.c, and in test.c I want to paste this, and okay, so it doesn't give any errors. Let's try to run this, okay. Test.c, maybe output test dot out. this is a test.c. Okay, undefined reference to init window. Maybe the compilation is wrong or what, because it's taking the library file, but apt search. Do you have this? No. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, I'll just clone the repo and try to run the example files. Okay, so I'll just copy this. Okay, now so these are, I think, lib raylib, and this one we just built, right? Go to the folder raylib examples. Examples.c. Audio cursor text 3D drawing. No. I'll find another way to install it. Okay. First, really, and Yeah, I'll follow this one. Okay, cd tools relief cd include and delete that test file. Okay, now cpr user. Okay, so these two folders and three files we copied into the user directory. Now the next step would be this command copies the library files into your directory, making them accessible to your projects. Main.c in your project directory and paste the code. I think we need to, what is this option of library name? Maybe we missed this. Okay, now I'll go to the project. Okay, now I will try to compile it. No, do you need to rename it to main.c? I don't think so. Do we? No. Dot c. Oh, sorry. Basic example dot c. And it didn't give the import error or include error. So I will try to, yeah, great. I think we need to do this. Okay, if we see help, okay, this is help. Can we find anything related to that library name? Um, process. Okay, and if we run this, great, congrats, you created your first window. Okay, now I know this is how it works. Okay, okay, now I will see. I will see for other examples. Okay. Learning index, okay, window related function, init window. Do we have the documentation here? Not window and OpenGL context, close window and OpenGL context. Okay, So close window, we did this, init window, and raylib core example. Yeah. Is window full screen, set window state, set window configuration state using flags. Toggle full screen, toggle window state full screen, windowed. Okay, but first web page. Okay, it is designed to be learned using the examples as the main reference. There is no standard API documentation. Oops. But there is a sheet containing all the functions available on the library. Oh, maybe that's why this is very lightweight and simple. It doesn't provide any documentation, but cheat sheet that expose. We just saw that it gives all the available functions and short description. So maybe that is the documentation for us. Well, that should be enough to understand how its function works. Additional documentation about it can be found at GitHub wiki. Where the library design examples collection examples. Okay, so the examples, maybe we should start with text. Text input box. Okay, this is just text text was alignment, text Unicode ranges, font loading. Text 3D drawing. Okay. This is Hello World in 3D. Nice. But I don't think we should start with this. First, I need to read some syntax about syntax of the C language, okay? But I just want to try some functions, maybe drawing some shapes. So I will go here, shapes ball. Balls. Okay, these are circles, not balls. And I can see that all the examples have uh, the screenshot of the running example, so it's pretty good to see how it looks like, the example. Bouncing balls, this one. What What is this? Saves bullet. Oh, this also gives us the controls. Okay, let's see the cheat sheet and wiki page. Okay, where was it? Examples and code examples. Raylib wiki. Data structure. Library. Okay, so library design. I think we have data structure. Image textures. We will get used to this when we code further, right? But it's good to see. Are these all the available structures within the library, or functions that modify data classes by reference? Okay, and enums. These are the enums. Keyboard key. Yeah, coming from the habit writing the high level programming language like that, these are going to take some time to learn. What else do we have here? Defaults, shaders, dependencies. Okay, platform and graphics. Linux. Okay. ID configuration, development platforms. Community resources. All right. Let's just see the cheat sheet. I want to just try another function beside this default example. So maybe maximize window, minimize window. Okay, so first should go begin try. Maximize window. Okay, cc I don't know, set window size, window related functions, timing related functions, random values, file management functions. Load file data, byte array, load text data from file, save text data to file, save file text, file system functions. Okay, compressor encoding, automation events. Int key, input related functions. Okay, all the function parameters are integer. How do I check the character key? Key has been pressed once. Key. Gamepad is okay. I think I will take a steep learning curve here. Rsames, draw pixels, draw text. Okay, I can just try some of these functions. Draw pixels, color. Okay, so draw pixel, it pixel, position will be what? Let's give it 0 0, and color will be color. No. Learn by example. So I'll go to the example and see the color property here. Color. What color are we passing here? Color. Okay, saves color palette. Oh, colors are what? Just a string or okay. No, these are not strings. This is color struct maybe. I don't know. Colors. What is this? So we have the direct color structure here. Oh, okay. Draw pixel. Okay. 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4. Oh, I think I can do a for loop here. Okay. For int I equals to 0, I less than 100 plus plus. Okay, and I will draw pixel with okay, so this is the y coordinate, right? So I'll just draw horizontal line, and this will be I. Now compile the program. Okay, first let's rename it to test.c. test.c. Really? Okay. Edit out and oh, so you see, so the 0 is the top left corner of the window, so you can see the horizontal line up to 100 pixels. I can make that little bit thicker. Okay, maybe draw a square or make the line 4 pixels thick. This is 1 2 3. Okay, see. Edit down. Yeah, this is 4 pixels thick line, and we might have some other draw. Is this a function? This must be a function, right? But the function name is not starting with you know, small letter. What does this? Oh, these all are functions. Okay, let's search what other functions we have here. Draw rectangle, okay, rectangle, circle. Draw line, start position, x-axis, y-axis in position, this one. Oh, okay, this was in drawing. Oh, we need to call in drawing after each draw pixel or what? Oh, so we have to handle the uh, memory leaking, right? So maybe okay. I'll just leave it for now. Uh, draw lines to and start. Yeah. Oops. That's great. And what else we have? Draw circle. Okay, draw circle. Okay. Center, XY, and radius and color. Okay. I'll just go with the autocomplete. And the color is filled. What if I want to just draw a stroke? Draw circle lines. Okay. Okay, field circle and outline circle. We have circle and circle line. All the draw functions. Basic shapes. Say collision circles. Okay, this is collision between circle and rectangle. Colors. Okay, if so these are the default or built-in colors comes with the library. Amazing visuals and white background. Array math. Okay, we have a math sheet 2. The matrix operations here. Vector 2, clamp, wrap, logic coils. Our textures and our text. Draw FPS. Okay, so this will give a FPS value by just calling a function. FPS position 200 320. Okay, Okay, this is another useful function. Draw appears, draw text. Text font, okay. Draw line 3D. Alright. I'll just need some extra readings on 3D vectors and matrices. So I'm not going to try these functions for now. Pretty good. I think I'll continue further with the library. So I hope you enjoyed the content. Beside that, the library installation part, I'm not going to edit that part. Yeah, so I think I'll end it here for today. And I think, as I said, I think it's pretty interesting. Okay, so I'll be continuing with the library further in my next video. So I hope I'll see you soon, and thank you for watching.